Welcome to the ultimate human body quiz. Test your knowledge and discover just how well you know the machine that keeps you alive. Let's begin. First question. What is your upper lip groove called? Philtrum, glabella, or canthus? It's philtrum. Which organ can completely regenerate itself? Spleen, liver, or pancreas? Liver. Well done. What is the funny bone actually? A tendon, a nerve, or a small bone? Do you know? A nerve. Your lung surface area equals a ping pong table, tennis court, or swimming pool. Tennis court. Which bone is not connected to any other? Hyoid, patella, or coccyx? Hyoid. It's located in the neck. What are the body's busiest muscles? Tongue muscles, heart muscle, or eye muscles? Eye muscles. Next question. What gives human hair and skin its color? Keratin, collagen, or melanin? It's melanin. What is the body's longest muscle? Sartorius, gluteus, or latissimus? Sartorius. It's in the thigh. What causes the sound of a cracking knuckle? Bone grinding, gas bubbles, or tendon snapping? Gas bubbles. What is the scientific term for a brain freeze? Nerve pain, blood vessel spasm, or ice shock? Blood vessel spasm. Your body has enough iron to make a small nail, paperclip, or tiny key. Small nail. Good job. What is the strongest muscle by pressure? Masseter, jaw, gluteus, buttock, or soleus? Calf. Masseter. Jaw. Next, wrinkled fingers in water help improve hydration, sensation, or grip. It's grip. What is the only human part that can't self-repair? Cartilage, teeth, or hair? Yep, it's teeth. How many chambers are in the human heart? 2, 4, or 6? Write your answer in the comments. 4, 2 atria and 2 ventricle. What color is deoxygenated blood? Dark red, blue, or purple? Dark red. Goosebumps are caused by tiny muscles called erector pili, folliculi, or dermis minor. The erector pili. What is the most common blood type? A negative, O positive, or B positive? One for the experts. O positive. Where is the body's smallest bone located? Toe, nose, or ear? This is a tricky one. Ear. It's called the stapes bone. About what percentage of the brain is water? 55%, 75%, or 95%? It's 75%. What part of the brain controls balance? Cerebrum, brainstem, or cerebellum? Cerebellum. What is the technical name for the voice box? Pharynx, larynx, or trachea? Larynx. Next, a hiccup is a spasm of what muscle? Diaphragm, intercostal, or abdominal? The answer is diaphragm. Which of these is a vestigial organ? Gallbladder, spleen, or appendix? Appendix. That was hard. What are your fingernails and hair made of? Keratin, melanin, or collagen? It's keratin. The average person produces enough saliva in their lifetime to fill 2 bathtubs, 2 swimming pools, or 2 buckets. 2 swimming pools. What acid is found in your stomach? Acetic acid, lactic acid, or hydrochloric acid? Think carefully before you answer. It's hydrochloric acid. What is the colored part of your eye called? Pupil, iris, or sclera? Iris. It controls pupil size. Which cells are responsible for blood clotting? White cells, red cells, or platelets? Platelets is the right answer. What is the largest internal organ? Lungs, liver, or intestines? Do you know the answer? Liver. What connects the brain's 2 hemispheres? Corpus callosum, hippocampus, or thalamus? Corpus callosum. Next, humans are the only animals known to laugh, blush, or cry. Blush. Where is the body's hardest substance found? Bones, fingernails, or teeth? It's teeth. An adult human has fewer what than a baby? Muscles, bones, or organs? This isn't easy. Bones. The small intestine is about how many feet long? 12 feet, 22 feet, or 32 feet? "22 feet, good job. What is the heart's natural pacemaker? AV node, SA node, or aortic valve? SA node. Where in the body is the hormone insulin produced? Liver, pancreas, or kidneys? It's pancreas. What is the main function of the kidneys? Digestion, hormone release, or filter blood? Filter blood. Next question, where is bile stored after being made? Stomach, gallbladder, or spleen? Gallbladder. What is the scientific term for the sense of smell? Olfaction, gustation, or audition? Olfaction. A runner's high is caused by what chemical? Adrenaline, endorphins, or serotonin? It's endorphins. What is the clear front part of the eye? Retina, lens, or cornea? Cornea. Which part of a bone produces red blood cells? Marrow, cartilage, or periosteum? It's marrow. What is the main purpose of sweating? Remove toxins, cool down, or moisturize skin? Cool down. How many pairs of ribs does a human have? 10, 12, or 14? Think carefully. 12. Did you get that right? What part of your ear helps you balance? Eardrum, cochlea, or semicircular canals? Semicircular canals. What is the more common name for the patella? Kneecap, shin bone, or collarbone? Kneecap. What are the basic building blocks of proteins? Fatty acids, amino acids, or sugars? It's amino acids. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Veins, capillaries, or arteries? Arteries. Last question. What does the C in C1 vertebra stand for? Cranial, cervical, or clavicular? Cervical. How many did you score? Thanks for watching. Pick your next challenge and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.